Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to download your balance certificate on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. Here in the Savings Account tab, click on your account balance. You will be landed to Account Summary page. Under Available Balance section, click on the link that says Download Balance Certificate. As you can see, we have successfully downloaded our balance certificate. Click on it to view it. This is how you can download your balance certificate on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.